Good morning, Kuya. Good morning, mga kasambahay. Welcome to Fitness 101. Once again, I'm Coach Burns Reyes of Mindful Movement Asia Pilates Studio. Last time, I showed you some exercises on the stability chair. For today, we're going to show you how to use this equipment called the Cadillac. And with us is Clay, a former gymnast. So whenever we have clients with knee issues, particularly anterior cruciate ligament injury, we want to focus on strengthening the muscles on your inner thighs, called your adductors. So one of them is called your bend and stretch. Okay? So we're going to place the client's leg on the strap. Make sure the lower back is initially flat. Very good. Opposite side, please. Okay. So we're going to use this equipment called the fitness circle and then place this between her ankle. So brace your arms, okay, engage your core, keep your lower back flat. You're going to breathe in to prepare, and then as you exhale, I want you to squeeze your inner thighs and simultaneously stretch your legs. Inhale to bend your knees, relax your legs. Exhale, fire your quads and then buttocks and your adductors as well. 2. Inhale. So a lot of muscles working here. Your quadriceps, your buttocks, and inner thighs. Squeeze as you stretch. 3. Inhale to bend. Very good. Keep your back flat, upper body stable. Breathe out, go in. 4. Last 2. Inhale to bend. And exhale, breathe out, go in. 5. One more. Inhale. And stretch. Last time, breathe out, go in. 6. We will proceed with the next exercise called the lift and lower. This would target your buttocks and your hamstring. Inhale, lift the leg up. Now, as you exhale, squeeze the fitness circle between your ankle as you lower down both legs. Very good. Inhale, lift up, relax. Squeeze your inner thighs and press down. 2. Give me 2 more. Keep your abdominals engaged. Breathe out, and go. 3. And exhale. Activate your inner thighs and squeeze. 4. Slowly, keep your legs straight. We're going to take this off. Now, to stretch your inner thighs muscle that we just worked on, I'm going to teach her the leg circle. You're going to keep your back flat. Breathe in to stay. Exhale, open your legs and circle your legs wide. They're going to meet in the center. Lower a little bit. Inhale, lift both legs towards you. Hinge. Exhale, circle your legs wider. Feel the stretch on your inner thighs. Very good. You will see she has a nice flexibility because she's a former gymnast. Last 2 on that direction. Inhale. Circle down. Go and go. 3. Do you feel the stretch on your inner thighs? Last one. Very good. And open and squeeze your butt and hamstring. We will do the reverse. Close your legs first. Reverse. Controlled. Inhale. Open your legs. Yep. Close your legs. And then exhale, press your feet against the strap. Inhale, open your legs out. Good job. Close. And then exhale, keep your knees pressed down. Go. Do you feel it behind your legs? Try not to lift the butt. Keep your lower back flat. Breathe in, last 2. Eye gaze towards the ceiling. Close. Brace your arm. Keep pushing down. Press, go and go. 3. Last one. Inhale. 1 more. And exhale, press down, go and 4. And slowly bend both knees so we could release the strap. There you have it. 3 exercises using the Cadillac and the leg spring and your fitness circle.
Next week, ipapakita naman sa atin ni Coach Burns Reyes ang ilang Pilates workout using the Cadillac. Kaya stay tuned dito lang yan sa Fitness 101.